Morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to our computer class. Myself Neha Deshpande and I am from Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar, Bharuch. So, let's start. Let's continue our chapter number 4, more about Tux Paint. In this chapter, in the previous class, we completed up to stamp tool. Yes. Now we are going to create a storyboard using this stamp tool. So let's read first. Create a storyboard, page number 42. So follow the books. You can read with me. A storyboard is a series of pictures that tells a story. Yes, it is a series of pictures. Series of pictures means the pictures come one by one after the another. So that tells a story. Let us create a storyboard for the fable The Lion and the Rabbit. Now we are creating a storyboard for the story fable The Lion and the Rabbit. You know the story of the Lion and the Rabbit? Yes, we are going to create a storyboard of that story. Okay. So consisting of 7 pictures, in which we have to create 7 pictures. Okay, to create first pictures, follow these steps. See, the steps are given and I am doing directly here along with reading the steps from my textbook, and you have to also follow your textbooks. Okay, so if you not open your textbooks, then first open the textbook, page number 42. I am going to read the steps to create a storyboard. I am doing directly in the Tux Paint along with the reading. Okay, so now first of all we have to create this picture. How many pictures we have to create in this story? 7 pictures. The first picture is this. Okay, so we are going to create the first picture now. So open Tux Paint. The Tux Paint is open now. Are you able to see? Yes. So now first of all, first step is what? Click the new tool. Where is the new tool? Here is our new tool, and in which click the list a background with a different color appears. Select the blue background and click open. Any blue you can select here. I am going to this one. You can click and click on open also. Also you can double click it to open. So I am going to double click. So it asks for the previous picture to be saved or not. I am going to save. See, the new picture is now created now. Now what you have to do? Third step, click the text tool. Where is the text tool here? Yes, it is your text tool. Click the text tool and select the color from the color palette. I am not going to select a color, but you can select any color of your choice. Then here the white color is selected. Select the text style from the options given on the right side. These are the options given. You can select any of them. I am going to select this one. Okay, so now go to here, type the text, click up and down arrow in the selector to increase or decrease the size. So this size is enough now. So now see what heading we have to give? The lion and the rabbit. Type from your keyboard the lion. You can select any color. Okay, but right now I'm not selecting any color. Lion and the rabbit. Yes, text tool is selected. Now next step number 6, click the stamp tool. Where is the stamp tool? Here it is. Click the stamp tool. In the stamp tool, so select the stamp from the right hand side. Using this arrow you can move to next category of text. Okay, so right now from animal category I am going to select the lion first. Sorry. Okay, where is the lion? Yes, here it is. Are you able to see the lion picture? So select the picture and you can increase or decrease the size, but right now I want this size, and click here. The lion is inserted now. Now second picture what we want in figure 4.7, rabbit. So again search for the rabbit. Yes, here is our rabbit. Select the rabbit and it has a sound.
Rabbit.
Okay? So paste here. So first picture is created, the lion and the rabbit, and we paste lion and rabbit on our picture. So this is our first picture. Save that picture. Save. Now next we have to create the second picture. Which is the second picture here? See in figure 4.8, second picture is given. Sorry. Yes. In figure 4.8, the second picture is given here. Okay, now we have to select this second picture. Okay. Okay, so we have to create this second picture now. And what are the pictures that are available in the second picture? See, lion, a black bug, some trees, and the background color is green here, and some text is written here using text tool. So this is your story. So see, the steps are given here. I am going to do it directly in the tux paint. When I am reading the steps, you have to follow your books, okay? And when I am doing, you have to concentrate on the screen. So open tux paint. First story is already saved. First picture. Now second picture. Click new tool. Then select the light green background and click open. I am going to select this green color. No, I don't want to save it. Okay. So now see the third step. The second step, click the stamp tool. In stamp tool, select tree, lion, Indian black bug, and thought balloon one by one. So we are going to search for the trees. Here are the trees are given here. Yes, select some trees and click on the another tree. You can select any one of your choice. Okay. No need to use the same trees that I am going to use. You can select any trees. Now again, we already done this. Yes, this is enough now. Okay. So some trees are here. Then select lion. Again move towards the next category of animals. Here are the animals. Select lion from it and select a black bug. So first select a black bug. So we can find that black bug. You can select any animal here. So I'm to select this one. Okay. And click it.
Doe.
And you can also yes. So change the size. Now select lion. Here is our lion. Now we have to change the direction as per our figure. So again give the mirror image, and again you can change the size of the lion here. Very small it is. Okay, this size is enough. So paste it here. Now see, the picture is looks like same as in the second picture in figure 4.8. Trees are different here. You can see create that paste the trees as per your choice. Okay. So see what you can see, the lion eats that deer or a black bug. Okay. Now again go to text tool, step number 5, click the text tool and select a color and the text style. From the color palette you can select any color, and from here you can select any text style. Okay, so now type the text, increase or decrease the text size if required. I'm going to select this one now. Okay, so click here and write the story. A long time, are you able to see now? A long time ago. See, you know this story? Very interesting stories. A ferocious lion see, I am copying from your textbook in figure 4.8. The story is given here, so you can read from that figure 4.8. A ferocious lion came to a forest. He was a greedy. Full stop. Then he was a greedy lion. Okay. Okay, the text is black now. Okay, no problem. Comma, and killed many of the animals living in the forest. Okay, this is your story which is given in second picture. So we created this story. Now save this picture using save. Okay, our picture is saved now. Now create third picture. Where is the third picture? In figure 4.9. To create third picture, repeat the steps to create the fourth picture. So first of all, we create the third picture. The steps are not given here, but we can do. For third picture, again click new, select green as a background color. Okay. 1 minute. We don't want this text. We are going to write another text here. Okay. So first of all, write the text. Select another color from the color palette. Okay, no problem. So first we are going to write the text here. The remaining animals I am creating third picture now. Okay, the steps are not given here, so concentrate. Remaining animals gathered for a meeting. So the remaining animals gathered for a meeting and decided to offer one animal every day to the lion as food. So all the animals decided to offer one animal every day to the lion as a food. Okay, our text is written here. Now what we have to add? Some trees and some animals that are made for a meeting. So go to stamp tool. Take different animals. You can set the size here. Right now I am not giving the size here. So many animals are given here.
Zebra,
Zebra, then deer, then see for more animals. Right now I am giving just few animals here. Okay. And upstairs. Okay, suppose
elephant,
the animal here. Okay, so these are animals. Again select one or two more animals. You can copy the animals as per your choice. Okay, there are many animals that live in a jungle, forest. So see, this is a jungly dog. Okay, again you can add rabbit here.
rabbit,
Also change the size of the rabbit. So I am going to insert one or more rabbits. Okay, and add some trees. Check for the tree stamp. Yes, here are the tree stamps. So some trees we added here. Okay, it is enough now. But when you're doing, you add as per your choice. Okay. Okay, like this our third picture is created now. Now save this picture. Okay, you can add some more trees here, but right now I am not adding. Then save. Our third picture is also saved now. Now to create fourth picture, again the steps are given here. Again go to new. Select again green as a background color. Okay, tree is added here, no problem. So now here we only add the text tool here. So go to text tool. Yes, uh, we are going to create fourth picture now, figure 4.10. Here only the text is written. So place the cursor where you want to write the text. So every day I'm going to increase the size little bit now. So okay, it's okay. So every day it was the turn of one of the animals, and in the end came the rabbit's turn. Okay, see the what the rabbit is clear now. The rabbit had a plan. Now rabbit had a plan now. What is the plan of the rabbit? Now let's see. He went to the lion. He went to the lion by sunset. By sunset means at the evening. He went to the lion by sunset at the evening. Okay, so our fourth picture is completed now. Only the text is given on that picture. See figure 4.10. Now save it again. So 4 picture is saved now. Now how many pictures remaining to create? 3 pictures. There are total 7 pictures. We are created 4 pictures up to now. Now again create 5th picture. Go to new. So here the steps are not given for the 5th picture. To create 5th picture and 6th picture, follow the same steps for the 2nd picture. Okay, so take background, then go to stamp tool, place some trees here like this. Okay, I'm placing the normal trees right now. Okay, it is enough. Now next, what is given in the 5th picture? Figure 4.11, the lion and the rabbit. So again go to stamp tool, select the category of the animals. Yes, select lion from this. Yeah, now here we have to change the direction of the lion, so mirror image, and also increase the size, little bit size. Yes, it is enough. And find for the rabbit. Here is your rabbit.
Rabbit.
Size of the rabbit and place the rabbit here, just like. Okay, so type some text here. Go to text tool, select any text. I'm going to select this one right now and change the color from the color palette. Okay, right now I have a problem. So type the text here. The rabbit told the lion that a group of rabbits were coming to him. Okay, but another lion attacked them. This lion ate all the other rabbits but he somehow escaped to reach safely. Okay, so text is written here. So now again another text is here. The lion was very angry. We are going to write here. Okay, we can give any shape, but right now I am not giving any here. The lion was very angry and asked to be taken to the other lion. And asked to be taken to the other lion. Okay, I'm just giving that text here only. Oh, you can set anywhere. This position is better. Okay, so now full stop. Our fifth picture is completed. Save it. Now again to create new sixth picture, create new picture, then take green as a background, then go to stamp tool, place the lion's image, flip it mirror image. You can increase the size just a little bit. Okay. Okay, go to text tool. I'm going to erase this thing. Okay, by mistake it is placed here, but no problem. Now next, add for the whale stamp. Go to stamp tool. Again, search for the whale stamp where we can get it. Not here. Okay, now write the text here. What is the text is written here? I'm going to choose this one, so that you are able to see more finely. The wise rabbit agreed and lent him lion. And led the lion to a deep vale. Are you able to see the whale here? It is your whale. Full stop. He showed the lion his reflection in the water of the whale. Okay, now what the lion think? There is another lion is in the whale here. Okay, the lion was furious. So I'm not writing the complete text here, but you have to write here. The lion was furious and jumped into the water to kill the lion, but lost his life. So again save this, then again create new picture, the last one. Follow the steps that we use for the fourth number. Select a light purple in figure 4.13. It is your seventh picture. So now moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? Intelligence wins over might. Over might. So our story is completed here. Save this. Now see, to see the created pictures, what you have to do, click on open. See, all the pictures are here that we created from the, this is our first picture, this is second, sorry, this is our first picture, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So it is today's homework to create these 7 pictures. Okay, now in our next class we'll see how to set the storyboard as a slideshow. Okay, we are going to see in our next class slideshow of the storyboard. But for that you have to create these 7 pictures in the same way I am doing today. Okay, so and don't forget to save that pictures. If you don't click on this save option, your pictures will be deleted. Okay, so it is your homework today. Do it. Okay, and it is much more fun for you. So we'll stop here. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.